Crust, mantle, core. Crust, mantle, core, 3 layers to know. From the outside in, let's go, go, go. Crust is thin, made of solid rock. It's the layer where we live and walk. Ocean crust is about 5 km. Ocean crust about 5 km. Land crust is 70. Remember them, remember them. 20 degrees at the surface part. 400 deep in the crust is hard. Crust, mantle, core, now we know. Earth has layers from top to below. Oh. Mantle comes next, much thicker and wide. 3,000 km deep inside. Heat melts rocks into magma flow. It moves like liquid, slow below. The temperature rises, now we see, up to about 1,000 degrees. Core is deep, is thick and hot. 3,400 km, that's a lot. Iron and nickel make the core. Outer core liquid, inner core solid for sure. Pressure squeezes the inner one tight. 6,000 degrees, hot and bright. Crust, mantle, core, now we know. Earth has layers from top to below. Crust, mantle, core, now we know. Earth has layers from top to below. Layers of the earth, yeah! Thanks for watching. If you had fun learning with us, please like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos. See you next time, little learners!